Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. You have probably heard the buzz around AI, but have you ever wondered what makes it so revolutionary? Stick with us as we unravel the mysteries and showcase how AI is transforming our lives. The sudden surge in AI's popularity is not a recent phenomenon. The seeds of AI were sown in the fertile ground of the 1950s. It's the confluence of these factors, like powerful computing, abundant data, cutting edge algorithms, accessibility, and business demand, that has nurtured it into the thriving force it is today. Our digital footprints, from social media posts to online purchases, creates a treasure trove of information. This data, which is lifeblood of AI, has become more abundant than ever before. This explosion of data has provided the fuel for AI, allowing it to learn from diverse experiences. Believe it or not, you are surrounded by AI. AI is already a part of our daily lives. Ever wondered how our favorite streaming services recommend the perfect show for you? All thanks to AI. This is not the only example that you are looking around you. There are many more. Self-driving cars, smart houses, virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, they all are based on AIs. Okay, after hearing all this, I hope you are excited to know what is artificial intelligence is all about. Artificial intelligence is a field of study, just like physics. It's the science of creating machines that think, learn, and make decisions like human. Imagine if your computer could think and learn from experience. That's the power of AI, giving machines the ability to adapt. AI can understand and interpret languages. It's not just about typing now. It's about machines comprehending and responding to human communication. Need a problem to be solved? AI is here for it. It's not just about crunching numbers. It's about finding creative solutions. AI comes in different flavors. Let's explore two main types, narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is also termed as weak AI. Narrow AI is something which we use in our day-to-day life. It's like an specialist trained for a specific task. Think virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri. They excel in converting spoken words into actions. Other most widely used narrow AI is facial recognition, where AI system is trained to interpret visual information, identifying patterns and objects within image. Whereas on the other hand, general AI aims to replicate human-like abilities across various domains. It's a futuristic concept. It might take another 50 to 100 years. Scenarios like analyzing medical data, understanding legal documents, and even engaging in philosophical discussions. The possibilities are endless wherever the general AI can be used. Tell us in comments which futuristic AI application excites you the most. To truly understand AI, one needs to understand the key concepts: machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on developing algorithms and techniques that enable computer to learn from data and improve their performance on a specific task without being explicitly programmed. Whereas deep learning is a subset of machine learning that utilizes artificial neural network with multiple layers. These neural networks are inspired by the structure and function of a human brain with interconnected nodes organized into layers. To understand more in depth about the machine learning and the deep learning, you can check out my other videos. I hope now you are clear that artificial intelligence is not a magic, but a revolutionary force shaping our present and future. What AI application blow your mind? share them in the comment below. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe for more tech wonders. Thank you.